JP Presvento, the Fox C6 EdTech Coordinator. Today I would like to demonstrate how to create and share QR or quick response codes. QR codes are great for BYOD classes when a teacher needs to quickly distribute one or multiple web links to students with mobile devices that have rear-facing cameras. QR codes are also great for making posters, art exhibits, and library books interactive. Today I'll demonstrate how to create a QR code for a web address. The first thing you'll need to do is access the website for which you want to link the URL. So just highlight the web address and copy that to your clipboard. And then we'll have to go to a QR code generator. There are a variety of QR code generators on the web. My personal favorite is one called qrstuff.com. That's qrstuff.com. I like QRstuff because, as you can see here, it will create a variety of different types of QR codes for all different types of data. Some of the most helpful are website URL, plain text, and contact information right here. In today's case, we are going to create a QR code for a website URL. So I'll go ahead and click the radio button next to website URL. The next thing I'll do is come over here to content, and I will paste that web address right here. And you'll notice that the QR code will slightly change. The next step is the encoding option, and I always go ahead and click dynamic for the encoding option. That just makes the QR code a little bit easier to scan. The next step, you can change the color of your QR code if you'd like so. And you'll notice that this QR code preview keeps changing with every modification I make to the code. And the last step is to go ahead and click download QR code. The code will download to wherever my default download location is on my computer. So now that I have created this QR code, I need to distribute it to students in my class. If I have one QR code, that maybe there's one website that all students need to be able to access at the same time, I'll just go ahead and create a Google Doc, just like this one, and I will insert the QR code onto this document. Maybe my students are split into groups working at different stations. I would just embed the QR code on the document with the instructions for that group. So we'll insert a QR code like we would any picture. The QR code downloads as a picture file, so I'll need to insert a picture into this document by clicking Insert and Image. Once I get here, this has been downloaded to my computer, so I will upload it. And I'll just find where I have that QR code saved on my computer, which happens to be, for me, on the desktop. For you, you may need to look in your Downloads folder. And I'll click Open. And now I have this QR code in my Google document. I can enlarge it or shrink it as needed. I have learned from experience that you don't want your QR codes to be too big. They're a little difficult for the kids to scan. And then I can just display this document for the students to scan, and they will be able to access the web page you're trying to get them all to. This has been JP Presvento, the Fox C6 EdTech Coordinator, demonstrating how to create and share QR codes.